is Polina and welcome to my classroom. Today, I would like to present you my second micro lesson, and the topic of this lesson is coronavirus. I think this topic is very useful and widely discussed, so I hope you find it interesting and useful too. And I hope you will enjoy my lesson. So I would like to start with some warm-up and then move on to model and instruct and independent practice. Let's start. So coronavirus. Who knows what coronavirus is? Raise your hand. Of course, everyone knows well what coronavirus is, right? And when did it start? December, which year? 2019, yes, at the end of the last year. So where did it start? China, that's right, it started in China. And does anyone remember the name of the city? Wuhan. I personally didn't know where Wuhan was before the pandemic started. Nobody knew. So why do we call it coronavirus? Does anyone know? Nobody? Any ideas? So that's why we are here today. We will learn a little bit more about coronavirus, and we will learn proper terms, proper vocabulary that we can use to discuss coronavirus with other people, our friends, our family, anyone. Sounds great? Okay. So first, let's brainstorm all the words that you can hear in the news and that are related to coronavirus. Anyone? Does anyone want to start? Yes, Mary? Pandemic. Amazing. Pandemic. So does anyone know another word for pandemic? It starts with an O, out, and outbreak. Any more words? Cases? Yeah, thank you, Peter. So, cases. Who are those people? Cases? Yes, those are people who get COVID. Yeah, patients, or we call them cases. And another word related to people, word starts with C, community. Yeah, who are those people? Community are people who live together. Any other words? Let me help you. So, can I sit next to you? No, I cannot sit next to you. Why? Yeah, social distancing. How big is social distancing? Does anyone know? Yeah, at least 1 meter. Social distancing. And can we travel? No, we cannot travel. Why? Because of restrictions. Wonderful. You know so many words, guys, but let's stop here for now. So I would like you to help me find more words, but first let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, we've got 8 people here today. So I will distribute you the articles. This one is for you. Here you go. Here you go. So, as you can see, this article is divided into 4 parts. That's why we will work in pairs. We need 4 pairs. Yeah, you will be working together. Yeah, Peter and Maria, then 2 of you and you. Amazing. So, who would like to start? Who would like to get the first part? Yeah, please go ahead. Number 2, number 3, and the final part goes to you. Great. So you'll be working in pairs. Together, please find all the vocabulary related to the topic. What topic do we have today? That's right, coronavirus. Please write it down, underline it, or highlight it, whichever you prefer. But don't lose it. Why? Yes, for your final assessment. You know me well, guys. So, what kind of assessment do you think we'll have? That's right, we'll have an essay. That's why keep the vocabulary, don't lose it, share it with your classmates. Number 2, I would like you to create a headline for your assigned part. Later on, you will share it with the rest of the class. Be as creative as possible and as concise as possible. Remember that our headlines should not be long. They should be short. Okay, do you have any questions? No questions? Wonderful. Let me see. I think I will give you 10 minutes to complete these 2 tasks. And meanwhile, I'm here to answer any of your questions. Don't hesitate to ask me if you need any help. Okay, shall we get down to work? Okay, let's start.